Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to find your boarding card in the Wizz app. Just open the app and make sure you are logged in. Then go to the three-line menu in the top left corner. And now you can find this boarding card button. Tap on it and you will see your boarding card here if you have booked a flight or if someone else has booked your flight. Then first you will have to find your booking by writing your last name and the confirmation code here and clicking on find my booking. And after that you will see right here, so top left corner, and boarding card. That's basically it. I hope it helps.